Mataji, we see that sometimes, okay, I will say directly, like how to differentiate between this sentimentalism and real attachment towards Krishna or his devotees. Like, yes. I mean, what are the symptoms?
Or when you see it in someone else, you're feeling it?
Not someone else. I'm asking about my own self.
In your own self, what Prabhupada has said that if your bhakti is not backed by philosophy, then it is only sentimental. Backed by philosophy means Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. These are the 3 points, like a tripod. For progressing in bhakti, always remember there has to be balance of Guru's instructions, Sadhu means association, and Shastra, what the scriptures are saying. So anything, any point, like there was a confusion here. Oh, that brahmacharya or in class said that Bhagwan ke jhoot bola to theek hai. Now this statement, you have to see whether it fulfills Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. And then only you accept.
Can you hear behind?
You understood this even Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. Anything in your life, you judge according to these 3 things. Like telling lies. That doesn't come under Shastras. Shastras always says that you have to be honest, truthful, right? So that means it is not, right. So it has to fulfill all these 3. So if you don't pass through these 3, then sometimes you might become sentimental. You do things only out of sentiment, but not real, mature Krishna consciousness. And attachment to Krishna will come only after you do sadhana. And sadhana comes by following Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. That is real sadhana. The path of sadhana in our life, every day we have to focus and studying the Shastras only. If we don't do that, then gradually everything will go to the level of sentimentality only. Sentimentality means, oh, today I am very, very Krishna conscious. And the next day you will be completely opposite. So this is not what we want. Right?
Or association would definitely help us. But our mind says, it's okay, do this, or else do this. Why always chant? It's okay. When life pinches us, when problems come, we're not convinced to chant or to associate or to go for satsangs. Sometimes we have to force ourselves to go.
Yeah. There are different types of.
It's very easy when everything is good, everything is favorable, in your life. But like Vishakha Mataji's life, the way she is so dedicated and so convinced, and it's because she had to go through such difficulty in her early life, where nothing was favorable. She had to hide herself in a room and chant. If she wouldn't have all that, do you think she would have been a devotee? Maybe if you ask that question, she said, maybe I would not be having. It's like because she had those pinches, her resolve became more and more stronger because that's her nature. She's like a very strong fighter, Just to give that pushback, she became more and more convinced about the process, and she was, she went through all those difficulties, and that really gave her that strength. So pinches are good, because that gives you the resolve, but some pinches are really very difficult. Some things are so painful that you become bewildered. And that will also come in life when you are, the pain is so much that at that moment to take to chanting or to take to association it can become difficult. It is completely human. Understand one thing, just because you become devotee, you don't get some extra wings or something, or extra hands. No, we are human after all. And don't push yourself to that extent in your minds that, because I'm a devotee, I'm not able to, it's okay. Some troubles in your life is so much that for some time you become bewildered, you're not able to. But one thing always remember, what she said, association. Keep yourself surrounded by devotees whom you can even tell this, that I'm so much in difficulty that I can't even chant. I can't pick up my beads. I can't, even think of Krishna at all. Do you have those kind of friends? Or you make such friends whom you are just showing off, how Krishna conscious I am. It's just like a show game, How much to show each other that how better devotee. No, friendship means you are able to share your difficulties with that person. That I am not able to practice, and it is human to be like that. You don't have to beat yourself up. Unfortunately, some devotees sometimes become so judgmental that when somebody is going through difficulty, they are trying to judge them that, see, she's not practicing Krishna. But you are not understanding what she is going through. Psychologically, emotionally, mentally. Some hurts are something you cannot see outside. Somebody fractures the hand, you can see the fracture, big cast in the hand. And then everybody will take care of them. Oh yeah, don't lift this, I'll lift your back. But somebody who's hurt inside, emotionally, nobody can see that. So people judge them more. And as women, we have to understand one thing, that all of us are very, very sensitive, soft-hearted people. So we all can get hurt internally, and sometimes emotionally we are not well. We are not feeling that. Fracture cannot be seen, but it is there inside the heart. And when it is inside the heart, it is more painful. So you're not sometimes able to even chant or even bring yourself to associate with Guru. And if you at that time see that people are judging you or you are judging such people, then it's not good, right? That's not nice. You have to be considerate and you have to be helpful to devotees who are going through difficulties. So you also have to understand one thing, that the only conviction you should have is to be in the association of devotees. And gradually you will come back to normal. Okay?
So can we have the group? Haribol, come on.
Class, we have to start now.
Haribol, please come girls. Sweet speech. Come on. 10 minutes, 15 minutes हो गया. आगे आ जाओ. Haribol. आ जाओ. Quick, run. थोड़ा कराओ ना बड़ा. वो करते ही रहेंगे.
Hare Krishna. Just come. Hare Krishna. हरे कृष्णा.
हाँ तो माइक उधर तक नहीं आएगा. आप लोग
हरे कृष्णा.
घर पे सब लोग चिल्लाते हैं ना, वैसे चिल्ला के करो एक्टिंग.
हरे कृष्णा.
They will all keep quiet and सुनाई देगा. Please come closer and be attentive. Then you will be able to hear and understand whatever is being spoken. Is that big? This thing.